谢谢发言人。北京青年报记者提问：我们关注到，近日从土库曼斯坦接返自伊朗撤离中国公民的临时航班已经顺利抵达国内，想问一下，中方从伊朗和以色列撤离的行动最新进。
We noted that the temporary flight evacuating Chinese from nationals from Iran has arrived in China from Turkmenistan. Can you share us with the information? Acting on the decisions and plans of Party Central Committee, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, China Diplomatic and Consular Missions in Iran and other countries, the Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation Administration worked together for the evacuation of 3,125 Chinese nationals from Iran to safety. Among them, there are a 10-year-old baby, a 70-year-old senior, and citizens from Hong Kong and Taiwan. As the Chinese nationals who are willing to leave Iran have all been safely evacuated. The large-scale and well-ordered evacuation of Chinese personnel in Iran has been completed by the Chinese government. At the same time, China's embassy in Israel helped and organized the evacuation of over 500 Chinese nationals from Israel to safety, and helped some nationals from the UK, India, and Poland safely evacuate. During the evacuation, countries including Iran, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Armenia, Turkey, Iraq, the UAE, Oman, Kuwait, Egypt, and Jordan offered China valuable support. We express sincere appreciation for that. Still, some Chinese nationals choose to stay in Iran and Israel. Our ministry reminded them to stay safe. Our colleagues in Chinese diplomatic and consular missions in Iran and Israel have stayed on their post and will continue to do everything possible to offer Chinese nationals their assistance. Next question.